Hello and welcome! In this series of videos, we're going to show you how to best use your WIC food benefits. In this video, we will look at egg options available to you and your family. Let's get started. WIC provides food benefits for cartons of a dozen eggs. This includes fresh white or brown chicken eggs that can be organic, free-range, or cage-free. Eggs are a high-quality source of protein and also provide iron, zinc, and choline. Let's review how you can use your WIC food benefits to buy eggs for you and your family. Imagine this is your family balance summary. In this row, it says 000 eggs. In the issued column, there are 24 eggs that have been issued to you, and the available column shows there are 24 eggs available to buy. You can also view your food balance in the WIC app. Under the WIC card balance section, it shows eggs, 24. The amount available will update in the app as you make purchases at the grocery store. Check the Family Balance Summary provided by your WIC clinic or the WIC app for your specific food balance. Now let's take a look at the types of eggs in dozen-size cartons you can buy. You can buy medium, large, extra large, or jumbo-size eggs up to the total amount included in your WIC food benefits. For more information, view the food list in the WIC app or on the website. Let's look back at the previous example. The Family Balance Summary and the WIC card balance had 24 eggs available, which means two 12-egg cartons of WIC-approved eggs can be purchased. You do not have to buy them all in a single grocery store trip. They can be bought anytime during the benefit month. Before you start shopping for eggs, remember that eggs may not be included in every food benefit package. Some food benefit packages only allow certain types of foods. We hope that this information will improve your grocery shopping experience. If you have any questions about food items while shopping, contact the Arizona WIC Shoppers Helpline at 1-866-927-8390 or email at azwicshoppershelpline@azdhs.gov. For questions about the food list or how to use your WIC benefits, contact your local WIC clinic.